Hi guys, RIB here, Ian Bonnick, inspirational speaker, coach and author of Soul Survivor, how the band went from nothing to everything, but I think you know that already. So just a quick little message. So we're going to be firing up the Turn Your Story into a Book. 21 days of free content, okay? So 21 days of content that would take you from wherever you are in your journey, from turning your story into a book, whether you're at the beginning and you're wondering what to write about and how to structure it, how to phrase it, how to bring the whole thing together. Whether you're in the middle and you're wondering how to put this thing down and how to get through it and how to get to the end, or if you're at the end and wondering how to put this thing down, right? So all the way through, you're going to grab some valuable insights, information, and strategies and steps that will be able to propel you forward from where you are to where you want to get to, all right? So next 21 days in the form of live sessions. So if you're in a Facebook group, Turn Your Story into a Book, you'll see them probably as a live. If you're on YouTube, you'll see it on YouTube. If you're on Instagram, you'll see it in video format as well, obviously. So that's coming to you the next 21 days from Wednesday, the next 21 days, so in a couple of days' time it will start. And remember, like, I've designed this for three different types of people, right? So number one is what I call a bucket lister or legacy maker. So this is for a person who, right, they've always been told by friends and family, you have a great story, you should write a book, I would read it, you should really write a book. Or it could be on your bucket list, right? It could be something that you want to leave for your family, like a legacy for your family to see and to appreciate, right? So that could be you. Number two could be the message maker. You could be in self-development movement as a coach, a speaker, a writer. You could be a business person trying to dominate their niche. But you have a message, you have a powerful message to share, and you realize that through turning a story into a book is a magnificent way of doing that. So for example, my message is just not where you start in life, but where you're going that's important. It's not where you start in life, but where you're going that's important, right? Or you could be the third type of person that can be also a message maker and also could be a bucket lister. But we call this step a brand builder. So now a brand builder is someone who understands that people are brands and brands are people, and we all have a personal brand and a business brand. If you're a coach or a speaker, then your personal brand rolls into your business brand, right? So what's important here is the understanding that, you know, if I want to have impact, create impact and income, I need to reach the most amount of people which will be interested in my message, in my brand, right? And by rolling the Turn Your Story into a book, into a brand, gives you a beautiful, powerful way to do that, to create impact and income, right? So these are the three types of people that this will be great for. And look, just check the details below or to the side or above, and be ready to take some notes, grab a pen, piece of paper, or put it in your phone, however you're going to do it. There's going to be some really great information there. And if you've seen this program before, it's always updated. The information is always upgraded. So there's always something in there for you to learn. All right, guys, look forward to seeing you, speaking to you, interacting with you soon. All right, guys, have a great day. It's Independence Day in Indonesia today, so I wish you, if you're in Indonesia, a happy Independence Day. And wherever else you are, have a great day anyway. Thank you.